This is the XbotGo AI Sports Gimbal, an AI cameraman and creativity tool. In collaboration with your phone and certain software, this gimbal can help you film, stabilizes your footage, track the action, and broadcast your sports events so that you can focus on enjoying and improving your game without spending an excessive amount of time or money. In addition to it being a cameraman in a sense, it's also a creativity tool like a traditional gimbal. You can use it to stabilize as you film. With that being said, let's take a closer look. XbotGo also offers additional accessories that will level up your game, like this T1 tripod. Alright, let's study the features and functionality of this tech a bit closer. I'm going to use some notes because this thing can do quite a bit. First of all, this gimbal and its setup in general will help you better film, whether that's through positioning settings or controls or stabilization. This setup will help you better film and capture the ultimate shots in general. Free software is available to level up your game, and it's essential in unlocking many of the features. And one of those features is auto tracking. What is auto tracking? Well, auto tracking is a feature that allows you to keep the subjects, moving subjects, within the frame of your phone. Keep them always in focus. And that works by focusing on the ball or the player's positioning and speed, so that you will always or almost always have the action in shot. Similarly to auto tracking, there's a follow me tracking feature. This works by focusing on a specific individual. You can tap a certain subject and it will focus on this person and track them throughout the field so that you don't have to be a cameraman and so that they're always in the frame. Not only that, you can broadcast and stream the games so that your family and friends can see. Scoreboards can be easily inserted into the stream or footage so that statistics can be remembered. Simple editing controls are also available in the apps for making highlights. Free 20 gigabytes of cloud storage are also available so that you don't have to clutter up your phone or pay for expensive subscriptions. So in general, as you can see, there are a lot of features, but let's actually test the setup in action. And that is the XbotGo AI Sports Gimbal.